I'm Mon Reyes. I'm Coach Mon Reyes. I'm known as Coach Mon Reyes here in Live Good. I'm one of the coaches of Live Good. I'm also a registered nurse and a real estate broker by profession. And napagdaanan ko na rin po lahat. I was an employee before. As an employee, 12 hours kang wala sa bahay, di ba? Kasi 2 hours kang tatravel sa office. 8 hours kang mag-work and then another 2 hours going back home. So basically, halos wala kang oras sa pamilya mo. Di ba? And you're okay with that kasi you are secured with your salary, 50th and the 30th. Yun yung parang false security na nare-receive mo. And then, pero nakita ko hindi matutupad yung mga pangarap ko eh. Talagang panggastos lang ng pamilya yung binibigay sa akin. Kulang pa. Kaya medyo nalulubog na nga sa utang. So because of that, nag-OFW naman ako. I was an OFW for 4 years. Ang problema ko naman doon, nangungulila ako sa family ko. Kaya nga 4 years lang ako tumagal kasi nakikita ko yung anak ko lumalaki without me. Imagine, 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas. 1 month lang ako sa Pinas, 15 days pa doon, inaasikaso ko dokumento. Right? So nangungulila ka sa family mo if you're an OFW. And then after that, I became an entrepreneur. And yes, maganda ang kitaan sa entrepreneur sa business, di ba? As an entrepreneur. However, ang problema mo naman doon, totoo yung sinabi nila hawak mo yung oras mo. Pero ang may flip side yun Ibig sabihin din nun, anytime pwede kang magtrabaho. I remember being a businessman, nagdi-deliver ako ng products ko at 1 in the morning or 2 in the morning kasi kailangan na nung client ko yung products ko. So nag-suffer naman sa akin doon yung health. Maganda nga kita, pangit naman yung naging sumama naman yung kalusugan mo. Okay? And for that reason, hindi ko na po ginagawa lahat yung mga yan. And I'm 100% full-time affiliate, coach, and mentor here in Live Good. Alright? Mamaya makikita nyo sa presentation kung bakit ko pinili ito. Isa lang naman yung rason ko Kasi sa Live Good nakita ko matutupad yung mga pangarap ko. And true enough, it's starting to happen. Yung mga utang ko, nababayaran ko na isa-isa at lalo pa ngayon akong nabuhay yung mga pangarap ko. Kasi this time, I can see, may vision na ako Nakikita ko na talagang matutupad yung mga pangarap ko. So yung mga nakalimutan ko ng mga pangarap, pinagbubuhay ko uli. Di ba? Nakaka-relate ba kayo doon? Alright. Now, so that's me, that's my story. That's my struggle before, and that's the reason why I'm doing Live Good. But this presentation is not about me. This presentation is about you. Diba? I don't know where you're coming from You may be a single parent, hindi na nga magkasya yung kinikita mo, paano mo papag-aaralin yung mga anak mo? Diba? If finances is your struggle, Live Good is for you. Or baka naman nasa nearly retiring age ka na. At nangangamba ka na, paano na pag nag-retire ako? Wala na yung sweldo ko. Saan ako kukuha ng panggastos ko? Kanino ko aasa? Aasa ako sa SSS? I don't think so. Aasa ako sa anak ko? Magkakaroon din sila ng family nila Ang masama niyan, if umasa ka sa charity. Diba? So kung yun yung problema mo, yung security mo in your future, Live Good is for you. O baka naman OFW ka, na talagang yung fed up ka na at talagang nangungulila ka sa family mo. Well, it's time to resign, to retire from being an OFW. Do Live Good, retire from being OFW, and spend the time with your family. Alright? O baka naman start mo lang ng yung career mo, bagong trabaho ka, tapos nakita mo talagang overworked, underpaid, and nakita mo yung unang sweldo mo, hindi makakabuhay ng pamilya. Much more, mabigyan ka ng significance. If that's your struggle, then Live Good is for you. Why? Because this is what I believe. Live Good is the solution to whatever struggles you're encountering right now. Whether it be health, time, finances, Live Good talaga po yung makakatulong sa inyo. Alright, so to better explain Live Good, I want to show you this video by our CEO himself, Ben Glinsky, explaining what Live Good is, who Live Good is, and why should you do Live Good. Okay? Sige, panoorin po natin to.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. we've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. So Live Good, the most exciting company in the industry. You heard it from our CEO himself. And the way he explained it, talagang nakita nyo naman, we are revolutionizing the industry. Kaya nga lahat ng tao, halos lahat ng tao, imagine, ang dami ng sumasali sa Live Good. We have over 725,000 paid members as we speak. Ganun po kadami. So the question now remains is bakit? Bakit ang daming nagugustuhan si Live Good? Well, whether may experience ka na sa ating industriya o wala pa o bago ka pa lang, makikita mong kakaiba talaga yung nangyari. Alright? Ito yung mga binago ni Live Good sa industry natin. Number one, wala nang overpriced products. Yan ang unang-una natin tinatanggal. Bakit? It's because of this overpricing of products. Iilan lang yung talagang kumikita doon sa ibang companies. And also because of this, marami talagang nagfo-fall out o nawawala doon sa ating industriya. And for this, because of that, wala na rin po tayong huge product package to join. Mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung magkano lang ang kailangan natin para mag-join. And it's not going to be 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Hindi po ganun kalaki yung kailangan nyo. Alright? And yung monthly auto ship, wala na rin po yan. Yung huge auto ship, tinanggal na rin po yan. Talagang pinagaan na ng gusto yung pagninegosyo dito sa Live Good. Alright? Ito pa maganda, no back to zero. Ano po yung back to zero? Ito yung pinakakinakatakutan ng mga distributor pag malapit na magpalit ng buwan. Kasi alam nila, lahat ng pinagpaguran nila for that month, mawawala. And they would start from scratch. Tinanggal na po sa Live Good yan. No forced buying of products. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda ng mga produkto mismo natin, ikaw mismo bibili. In fact, kami, we don't run out of products here in our place, in our home. And every one of us is using the products, okay? No selling, therefore, no quota. Nakita nyo? Yan po yung mga pahirap sa ating industriya. Yan yung mga nagpapahirap sa mga distributors. Yan yung mga reason bakit iilan lang yung talagang yumayaman sa ating industriya. That's the traditional way. We have revolutionized it. In Live Good, we offer premium health products at almost manufacturing price. Ganun po kababa ang ating mga presyo, pero napakataas ng ating kalidad ng ating mga produkto. Alright? Kaya yung members dito talagang well benefited. Alright? Ito, usually nasa dulo to ng presentation ng ibang companies. Bakit? Kasi kailangan pabilibin muna kayo eh. Talagang kailangan yung emotion nyo napakataas na bago sabihin, 60,000 ang kailangan natin to join ha. O kailangan nyo ng 100,000 para mag-join ha. Dito po, start pa lang, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, you only need $49.95 one-time fee to join. Magkano yan in peso? Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. Alright? And then yung huge auto ship, yung monthly kailangan mo, $9.95. That's only 580 pesos. Baka tipid ka ng 20 pesos isang araw at the end of the month, may sukli ka pang 20. Pambili mo na lang ng corneto, di ba? Kung tinatanong mo, saan ka dadalhin ng 20 mo, dali mo sa Live Good yan, yayaman ka. Alright? So ganyan lang po kababa yung ating mga maintenance, okay? And you retain your rank without working for it monthly kasi wala nang back to zero eh. Lahat ng production mo for the month carried over the following month. Mamaya makikita nyo kung bakit. Ito maganda, you buy only health products you want, only when you want to. So hindi ka matatambakan ng produkto dito, hindi ka magkakaroon ng isang kwartong punong-puno ng produkto na halos lahat nag-e-expire na kasi hindi mo mabenta at hindi mo naman magamit sa dami. Dito kung ano kailangan mo, yun lang bilhin mo. Alright? Hindi ka pipilitin dito. Ang pinakamaganda dito, you get paid for all your effort. Sa iba kasi sa dami ng qualification, ng mga points volume, mga ganyan-ganyan, talagang alam mo, kikita ka na ng commission pero hindi mo pa matanggap. Kasi kailangan mo munang mag-auto-ship, kailangan mo munang bumili ng products or kailangan mo munang mag-recruit. Tinanggal na po ni LiveGood lahat yan. Why? How can LiveGood do that? Simple. We adopted a different business model. Sabi nga ni Ben Glinsky kanina, no, we adopted the Buyers Club model, meaning membership club, exclusive membership club. Alright? Baka hindi nyo lang alam, member na kayo ng ibang club, bayad lang kayo ng bayad sa kanila. Pero wala naman kayo nang hihita. Pero with LiveGood is actually a membership club that pays. Okay, $9.95 per month lang. Or kung gusto mo makatipid, $99.95 for 1 year na. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. But you would be paid eventually simply by being a subscriber. Alright? Now, to tell you more about membership club, baka medyo nalilito ka. Ano ba yung membership club naman? So, pinakamagandang example dyan, yung mga subscriptions na binabayaran mo. Alright? Ito yung mga popular na membership club. Number 1, Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime members pay $14.99 or $139 per year. Ano makukuha nila sa Amazon? Access lang dun sa online store nila para makuha nila at wholesale price yung mga products. Okay, pretty much same with Sam's Club, $100 per year naman yan. Si Netflix, iba naman yan. Ang offer naman na unlimited watching of movies and shows, di ba? Pero hindi po libre yan. Nagbabayad tayo dyan. $9.99, $15.49 or $19.99. Depende dun sa package na pinili mo. Monthly yan ha. Monthly mong binabayaran yan. Disney Premium is the same with Netflix pero mas focus sila sa Disney shows, of course. $10.99 yan a month or $109.99 per year. Alright? If I can compare LiveGood with any of these memberships, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. Si Costco, however, is a physical store. Ang gawain kasi ni Costco, sinisingil niya ng $120 per year membership. And if you're a member, bibigyan ka niya ng card para makapasok ka dun sa store nila. Inside their store, dun ka makakapamili ng mga products nila at a very low cost. Okay? Pero hindi mo naman alam kung maganda yung quality ng mga products na binibili mo. Ang alam mo lang, makakamura ka. And from what I've heard, medyo in volume pa rin yung pagbili mo para makuha mo talaga yung pinakamababang presyo sa Costco. Okay? So LiveGood is pretty much the same. Yun nga lang, sa LiveGood, alam mo na napakaganda ng quality ng mga products na available doon. And alam mo rin na napakababa ng mga presyo. At ang pinagkaiba natin, LiveGood is online. So if you're a member, you'll have an access to an online store whereby you can buy all LiveGood products at members price. Napakababa po niyan. Almost manufacturing price. Okay? And to become a member, of course, you need to pay your membership fee. Ang tawag doon, subscription. Meron tayong monthly, meron tayong annually. Sinabi ko na kanina. Now, how big is the subscription business? How big is the membership club business? Ito po, pakita ko sa inyo, subscription. Ang pinakamagandang example dyan, si Zoom. Si Zoom po, mura lang yan eh. Nasa $14 so wala pang 800 pesos. Monthly yan. And then you get to use 100, you get to have 100 participants na in Zoom. Ito medyo mas malaki to, 1,000 participants to, di ba? However, if you don't pay your subscription, tatanggalin din yung access mo. Pero you're willing to pay it kasi unang-una mababa compared dun sa value na binibigay sa inyo. Imagine I'm in Laguna right now pero I'm talking to somebody in California, in KSA, 'di ba? In Bahrain, in Singapore, and all over the Philippines. So talagang willing ka magbayad. And because of that, and sa dami rin ng subscribers ng Zoom, Zoom actually earned $2.6 billion annual revenue. Nakita nyo kung gaano kalaki? We're talking about billions here. Diba? So membership club and subscription company or industry is actually a $1 billion industry. Si Netflix, imagine 230.75 million subscribers. Magkano kinita niya? $31.6 billion in 2022 lang. We're talking about 2022 lang ha. I'm sure na tumaas na lalo yan. Okay, si Costco. Costco has 59 million members household, 107 million cardholders, and most of them talagang nagre-renew, nagbabayad ng membership nila. Kasi they find value dun sa binabayaran nila. And pretty much the same with Live Good. You'll find value in paying your subscription in Live Good. Okay, magkano kinita ni Costco? $3.5 billion in membership fee alone. Wala pa yung kinita niya dun sa mga product sales. Right? So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this kasi po, ang maganda kay Live Good, kaya natin napababa yung ating presyo ng mga products na available online. Kaya napababa yon kasi hindi tayo product-centered. We're more of a membership club talaga. And this is how big this membership club is. Ganito po kalaki yung industriya ng membership club or subscription. $billion industry. And nakita niyo yung mga number of members nila, malalagpasan po ni Live Good yan. Bakit? Kasi yung ibang companies na yan, hindi nagbabayad yan eh. Tayo lang yung bayad ng bayad sa kanila as subscriber. Subukan mo mag-refer sa Netflix, tignan mo kung makakuha ka ng kahit 5 cents. Hindi po. Di ba? Pero with Live Good offers you an opportunity. Unlike most home-based business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. Talagang makakatipid ka na ngayon sa health products. Talagang kaya mo nang maging healthy ngayon. Alright? So if you have a passion for health and wellness, if you have a passion for helping people, and if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then Live Good is for you. Yes, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. Sa mga umaasang pagbayad mo, kikita ka na ng malaki. Hindi po gano'n ang Live Good. Pinagtatrabahuhan po natin yung kinikita natin dito sa Live Good. But this is what I can assure you. Live Good is a get-rich-sure business. Kung gagawin mo ng tama yung negosyo, talagang you'll put all your efforts to it. And hindi siya forever, siguro. Dito nga, imagine, in 9 months pa lang tayo. Pero may mga pangarap na pong natutupad ngayon. May nakabili na ng sasakyan in cash. And he started paying for a brand new house and lot. Ganun po kaganda ang Live Good. Because Live Good is a membership that pay. You can earn as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes, you heard me right. Whether or not you refer other members to the program, kikita ka. Pero bakit ka papayag na kikita lang? And this is what I believe. If you receive something good, if you receive a great blessing, it is your obligation to share it to as many people as you can. Right? So bakit mo sasarili ng Live Good? I-share mo sa maraming tao at mas lalo kang i-bless. I-bless through the different pay plan na papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Alright? So how did we start? We actually launched globally in December 13, 2022 with the business of wholesale club membership. Alright? Imagine, December 13, 2022. That was just last year. Wala pa ngang isang taon, di ba? 9 months pa lang tayo. Pero look at the growth. We started with 2,000 members back then. Came April, umabot na ng 250,000 members. And yung projection natin, December 2023 will hit 1 million. Mapapaaga po yan. Baka November pa lang mahit na natin yan. Bakit? Nasa 725,000 na tayo ngayon eh. Imagine 725,000 paid members in as short as 9 months. Here in the Philippines, we started with 4 people. Yung first Zoom nga daw nila, wawalo lang sila. Pero ilan na tayo ngayon? We're 125,000 members here in the Philippines under Dreammaker Worldwide. Yung team na yun pa lang. Ganun po kalaki, ganun kabilis ang paglaki ng Live Good. Imagine that. Ito 100,000 tsaka 700,000 pa lang nakalagay. Dadagdagan na po ng 25,000 yan. So why are people really going after Live Good? I'm going to give you 6 reasons. Number 1, amazing products. Yes, hindi po natin tinipid yung quality. Kahit mababa yung price natin, hindi po natin tinipid yung quality. Mamaya makikita nyo kung paano natin nagawa yon. Number 2, incredible prices. Napakababa po ng mga prices natin. We are actually 75, 80%, 90% less as compared to other brands in the industry. Okay, business-wise naman, wala na yung auto shipping. Meaning yung mga monthly na point, yung PV, GV, QV, di ba? Tinanggal na po yan, kaya pinadali na po ang pagninegosyo dito sa LiveGood. No monthly products to buy. We will not oblige you to buy any products. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda nga ng products, kayo mismo bibili. And sa ganda rin ng products, we're one of the few, if not the only, company who offers a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Kasi yung ibang company 7 days, 30 days. Tapos gusto pa nila may laman yung container na isosoli mo para talagang sabihing hindi mo nagustuhan. But we have very minimal returns and none of them, I believe, is not because of the quality of the products. Alright? So that's the reason why LiveGood is the number 1 business to join. Okay, this is what I believe. LiveGood is the right business for you to be in. Because sa LiveGood, mabe-bless ka. And here in LiveGood, you would be able to bless a lot of people. Okay, so if you are looking for an option, for a vehicle whereby hindi lang ikaw yung mabe-bless, pati yung mga kamag-anak mo, pati yung mga kakilala mo, mabe-bless din, then LiveGood is the right vehicle for you. Alright? LiveGood actually is a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and the digital service industry. Napakaganda po niyan. Because of the pandemic, we became aware na kailangan nating maging healthy. So wellness industry, napaka-trending ngayon. Also because of the pandemic, nag-lockdown tayo. Everything went online. Schooling, board meetings, pati paying of bills, ordering of food, online na lahat. Alright, so napaka-trending din ng industriya na yan. Ang maganda, pinagsama yan dalawang industriyang napaka-trending ngayon sa LiveGood. Kaya napakagaan gawin ng negosyo eh. Alright? And LiveGood, by the way, is located in 1201 Jupiter Park Drive, Unit 5, Jupiter, Florida, USA. Yes, yun po yung home base natin, Florida, USA. So if you're looking for office here in the Philippines, wala po kayong makikita. Kasi yung registration natin, yung office natin, they're all in Florida. But since we're online, we can actually operate globally. Okay? Kasi may nagtanong sa akin paano ba sasagutin yung mga SEC questions na yan? Ganun po yan. Ang pinaka nagre-regulate sa atin is yung counterpart ng SEC dun sa Florida. Kasi registered tayo sa Florida. But we can operate worldwide because we are online. Yon. All right. So yon. Now, I want you to look at the mission of LiveGood kasi napakaganda niya. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Okay, yan kasi yung problema ng karamihan ng tao. Alam nila, kailangan nila maging healthy pero iniisang tabi yan. Diba? Instead na pambili ko ng vitamins, pambabayad ko na lang ng Meralco. Instead na pambili ko ng healthy juice na pagkamahal-mahal, edi pambabayad ko na lang ng cellphone ko. Ganun kasi yung nangyayari. Dito, sa baba ng prices natin, talagang kaya mo na magpaka-healthy. But what struck me most about this mission is yung how it is people-centered. Yung ibang company kasi, pag tinanong mo, anong gusto mo mangyari? I want to be the number 1 in the direct sales space. I want to be the number 1 in the nutritional space. Si LiveGood, ano mission mo? To help people. Alright? So talagang people-centered sila. And ang gusto ng LiveGood is for everyone to win. And how did this come about? It's because of our CEO. The people behind LiveGood, more specifically our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience owning and running the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows how to help people win. And kung mapapakinggan mo siya sa kanyang mga webinars, sa kanyang mga Zoom trainings, sa kanyang mga speeches online, makikita mo na how kind-hearted he is, how humble he is, and how he really, yung passion niya talagang sa makatulong sa tao. Alright? And then ano ginawa niya? Nag-team siya. Gumawa siya ng team of champions. Ryan Goodkin is our product product developer or product formulator. He's a doctor of pharmacy with an understudy in nutritional supplement. Okay, so dalawang science pinagsama niya. Ang maganda kay Doc Ryan, sinabi niya mismo, this came from his mouth, I don't formulate products to sell. I formulate them for me and for my family to use. So benefit sa atin yan, mga members. Why? Kasi sigurado tayo na napakataas na ng quality ng ating products, napaka-safe pa. Kasi wala pong taong magbibigay ng kahit anong ikasasama ng kanyang pamilya. Right? Alright, si Lisa Goodka naman, the wife, she's our Director of Product Education. Wellness coach naman po yan. And talagang siya yung embodiment ng true health. Kitang-kita mo sa kanya yung talagang true health. And ang maganda niyan, she will not just educate us about our products, pati po yung exercise, sleeping habit, itatap niya rin yan. Ang passion naman niya to make everybody healthy, just like she is. All right, and Nader Kazan is our Director of Network Marketing. He's a legend of the industry with almost 40 years of experience. Imagine, in 1998, nagtitrain na po siya ng leaders ng mga industriya natin. Alright? So nakita nyo, pinagsama-sama ni Ben Glimsky are champions of their industry. Alright? Because true leadership creates true success. Now, speaking about the products, ilang beses ko nang inulit-ulit, good quality, not only good, premium quality pero napakababa. We actually have over 15 pa lang to, no? We have over 20 life-changing products. Kasi we started with 15 eh. And dagdag lang sila ng dagdag. Imagine 9 months pa lang tayo nakapagdagdag na ng more than 5. Dagdag lang ng dagdag dun sa ating product portfolio. Alright? Ayan po, 20 na. Let's make it. Over 20 life-changing products. And it's really life-changing. Kasi bakit? Talagang mararamdaman mo yung change in your body. You will become more healthy if you consistently use the Live Good products. Okay? Highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Hindi lang po tayo concerned on how the products are manufactured, pati po yung pagpili ng mga raw materials, talagang we make sure that it's of high quality. Alright? And all our products are made in USA, approved by GMP. By the way, just to give you an idea, si GMP po, napakataas po ng standard niyan bago mag-approve ng products. Pero lahat ng products natin, in-approve ng GMP. Good manufacturing practice nga pala yan. Why? Because all our products are lab-tested for purity and potency. And we're not hiding that. In fact, we have in our website the certificate of analysis of all our products. Okay, shout out po doon sa mga bagong sali, welcome, and I hope na mas ma-absorb nyo yung mga padating pa, mga susunod na slides pa. All right, this certificate of analysis shows how good our products are, how high quality our products are, and how effective, how potent they are. Alright? Because Live Good is after wellness for all. We have over 20 products pero hindi nyo naman po kailangan bilhin lahat yon. Kung ano lang yung kailangan nyo, yun lang yung kunin nyo. Kasi let's take for example men's and women's health. We have different physiological needs. Men and women have different physiological needs. So kung anong kailangan mo, kung panlalaki, yun lang bilhin mo. Kung pambabae, yun lang. But we have products for that. Kung nutrition naman yung habol mo, meron din tayo. Alright? Kung skincare, ito, pampabeauty yung habol mo, skincare tsaka anti-aging, meron din po si Live Good niyan. Body cleansing is very important because we need to remove all the toxins on our body. Alright? We have products for body cleansing as well. Immunity, and again, another very important kasi yung immune system po natin, yan yung defense system natin para yung mga diseases hindi makapasok sa katawan natin. Alright? Kung mataas yung immune system natin, most likely hindi tayo magkakasakit or very seldom tayo magkakasakit. We have products for immune system. Weight management, dalawang side po yan. Either you want to lose weight or you want to gain weight. We have products for both. Energy. because of our lifestyles, the food we eat, wala na tayong exercise, tapos puro fast food na lang kinakain natin, talagang nanghihina yung katawan natin. We become lethargic. Alright, we have products for energy. In fact, most of our products, meron siyang component that gives energy to the body. At ang maganda nito, all our products are available in over 200 countries. Yes, you heard me right. Pero hindi po totoo na may warehouse tayo sa lahat ng countries. We don't have warehouses in different countries. What happens is, the moment you order online, pay for it, automatic ipapack na yan. And then once it's packed, isi-ship na yan. Via what? Via our partner DHL. Mababa na po yung shipping fee, napakaganda pa ng shipping process. Alright? And it would really come to your doorstep. So ganun lang po kasimple yan, ha? So, your question maybe is how to order products. Dalawa po yan. You can either order as a consumer or as a member. Si consumer po, meaning hindi siya magme-member, they can pay the products at retail low prices. Compare mo sa ibang brands, mas mababa talaga yung presyo natin. Pero compare mo rin sa ibang brands, mas mataas pa yung quality ng mga products natin. Alright? But if you become a member, you pay even lower prices. So why would you stick to becoming a consumer when you can actually become a member for only $9.95 a month? Alright? Because Live Good member saves up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Totoo po yan. Kasi this is a sad reality. Pero talagang ginagawa to sa ibang company. Yung products nila, talagang gina-jack up nila yung price 10 times, 12 times, or even more. Bakit? Kasi doon nila kukunin yung pambayad ng warehouse, pambayad ng salary ng country manager, ng mga staff. And even those na nasa top ng compensation plan, yung mga kumikita ng 3 million, 2 million monthly, palagay nyo, saan nila kinukuha yung pambayad doon? Sa product prices din po. That's the reason why kailangan nilang mabenta yung products. And ano ginagawa nila? Fino-force nila yung mga distributors to buy the products. Alright? That's a very sad reality. Pero dito po sa Live Good, tinanggal na po yan. Tinanggal na lahat ng good, ng bad, ugly, and disgusting dun sa traditional way of doing business. Pero yung magaganda, lalo pang in-enhance. By the way, yung pagpatong dun sa products, yung pagpatong ng yung pagtaas ng products ng ang tawag diyan price gouging. And we're putting an end to that. Okay? As you see in the illustration, ayan, si David and Goliath yan. Live Good is David kasi maliit pa tayo. Imagine, nag-start tayo December lang, di ba? So talagang minamaliit pa tayo compared dun sa mga giant MLM companies. All right, who are practicing price gouging, di ba? But we're putting a stop to that. We're putting an end to that. All right? Kasi ang gusto ni Live Good, mabenta yung products na mas mababa so that everybody can benefit. We're not after these giants in the industry. What we're after is yung price gouging na process or na ginagawa in the traditional way. We want to put a stop to that. Sabi nga nung ating Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Kasi ganun yung nangyari. Because of the price gouging, iilan lang talaga yung namamayagpag sa industriya natin. But because of Live Good, here in Live Good, everybody earns. And yun talagang gagawa ng negosyo, yayaman palalo. Alright? Just to show you the price comparison, Ito, for example, our CBD oil. Our CBD oil has 750 milligrams potency compared to others in the industry. Si Green Roads tsaka si Young Living, lang yan, 500 milligrams tsaka 550 milligrams. Imagine, mas maganda na yung potency natin. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Mas konti lang yung kailangan mong CBD oil ng Live Good to take effect. Dito sa dalawang brand na to, siguro kailangan mong mag-take in more kasi nga ang konti nung nung component ng CBD nila. Pero magkano presyo nila? $89.99, $79.95. Magkano yung CBD natin? $18. Imagine kung ikaw halimbawa gumagamit ka ng CBD, nakita mo to na may $18 na CBD na 750 milligrams sa Live Good, saan ka bibili? Siyempre sa Live Good na. Or even if you are a distributor, mahihiya ka na magbenta niyan eh. Imagine magbebenta ka $89.99 pero alam mo merong mas potent at mas mura sa Live Good na $18. So most likely lilipat ka na rin sa Live Good. Live Good na lang yung ibebenta mo. Di ba? Ito pa. Our Super Greens. Super Greens po, it's good for our nutrition. It's a combination of different botanicals. Pinaka nearest competitor diyan pero not equivalent kasi mas maganda pa rin for me mas maganda ko pa rin nakikita si Super Greens. Si Athletic Greens and Organifi Green Juice $99, imagine $99.99 and $69.99. Si Live Good Super Greens magkano? Pag member ka $18 lang babayaran mo. Alright? Oh, pampabeauty naman, ayan, Ageless Skin Serum. Actually, the same Ageless Skin Serum is being sold at $59.50 or $86. Napakaganda niyan, para lumabas yung youthful glow ng iyong skin. Alright? And sa ganda niya, talagang over 1 million units were sold nung binebenta siya at $59.50. Imagine, may nagbebenta pa ng $86. Pagdating sa Live Good, magkano? $14.95. Ganun kababa. Alright? Another good product is collagen. Again, pampabata, pampatibay ng mga buto, pampaganda ng mga skin. Diba? Talagang para ma-retain yung youthful glow mo. Yan. Magkano members price niyan? $27.95. Magkano ang competitors natin? $79.96. $69.95. Even if you buy it at retail, $39.95 lang, nakakamura ka pa rin. Yan yung sinasabi kong kaninang if you don't want to become a member, you just want to become a consumer, yan yung babayaran mo, retail price. Pero pag nag-member ka, magbabayad ka lang ng $9.95, ang babayaran mo na lang $27.95. Nakatipid ka pa ng $12, di ba? Alright. Again, more price comparison dun sa retail price and members price. Ito. Our Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for Men and Women. Ang retail price niya $17.95. Pero ang members price $9.95. Ganun siya kababa. Alright? So dyan pa lang if bibili ka ng multivitamins for you and your spouse, 'di ba? Dun sa savings mo pa lang covered na yung monthly membership mo or monthly subscription mo. Pag Super Greens naman, $29.95 ang retail price. Pag member ka, $18 lang. Yan. Si Organic Super Reds, napakaganda nito. That's one of my favorite product actually. Kasi ano ginagawa niya? Vasodilator siya. Pinapaganda niya yung ating cardiovascular system. More specifically, yung blood flow. Why? Kasi if our blood flow is maganda, all the nutrients and oxygen will be delivered to the different parts of our body, putting them at their optimal state. 'Di ba? So lahat ng mga parte ng katawan natin functioning optimally. Magkano yung retail price? $29.95. Pag member ka, $18. Ganun siya kababa. So why buy at retail when you can buy as member? Alright, ito naman, weight. I told you about weight management, okay? If you want to have weight loss, dito ka sa Healthy Organic Weight Management Coffee with Mushrooms. Okay? Pag ininom mo yan, you'll have the same effect as coffee kasi may caffeine din yan. However, wala yung panginginig. Wala yung jittery. Alright? Retail price niya, $28.95, $17.95 pag member ka. This is intended for weight loss kasi pag ininom mo yan, may feeling ka na busog ka pero hindi ka tataba. Alright. Complete plant-based protein. Ito naman, pag gusto mong bodybuilding, muscle toning, muscle leaning, dito ka. Ang retail price niya is $34 and members price is only $22. That's $12 difference. Magkano yung membership fee natin? $9.95. So makakonsume ka lang ng protein once a month, di ba? Talagang meron ka na. Yung savings mo, yung pambayad mo dun sa subscription mo. Alright. Now, ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi meron tayong package composed of 7 products. Magkano yan? $99. Remember yung isang product kanina na pinakita ko, $99.99, isang produkto pa lang. Dito $99, 7 products na. In fact, if you compare yung mga nearest brands in the market, kailangan mo maglabas ng $278.75 to be able to get these 7 products. And mind you, mas maganda yung quality ng ating mga produkto as compared to others out there. And sinabi ko rin kanina, it's being shipped to your doorstep. Ayan po, proof. This was taken by one of our coaches nung unang dumating yung unang orders nila. So talagang dumarating. Especially now that we have partnered with DHL. Alright? So, your question may be, how do I become a member? Kasi ang ganda eh. Napakababa ng mga members price eh. And true enough, yung savings ko, yun na yung pambayad ko dun sa monthly subscription ko. Okay, go back to the person who invited you or who gave you this link. Meron silang tinatawag na sponsored link. Dun ka mag-register. And then, mag-lock in ka na rin ng position mo by paying $9.95. Once you're already a member, then you can get to avail of the products online at a member's price or tinatawag kong almost manufacturing price. By the way, how do you pay? You pay credit via credit card or debit card. Basta Visa or MasterCard yan, okay yan. Okay? Kung nasa US ka, yung Destiny. Alright? Ay, sorry, Discover pala. Discover card. Yan, pwede yan. Alright, if wala ka namang mga cards pero you're into crypto, pwede rin tayo. Tumatanggap din po tayo ng cryptocurrency. We're not trading crypto, right? We're just accepting cryptocurrency as payment. Alright. Now, kung wala talagang other options, you go back to the person who invited you. Tutulungan ka nila. Alright. So, as member, you get to enjoy the discount. You get to enjoy the savings in using the health products, di ba? But why be satisfied with the savings when actually you can earn here in Live Good? The question now is, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Wag niyong kakalimutan yung or more tsaka yung per month. Di ba? Kasi kung per month yan, tuloy-tuloy na talaga yung kitaan na yan. Diba? If you're interested into earning, then stay tuned for the rest of the presentation kasi ngayon po, pag-uusapan na natin yung kung paano kumita dito sa Live Good. So, kung kanina medyo distracted ka pa, hindi ka pa talagang fully nakikinig, ngayon makinig ka ng gusto, tumutok ka sa screen mo kasi ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano kumita dito sa Live Good. Paano matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Alright? Now, to be able to do that, to be able to earn and live good, you have to become an affiliate. Ano ba yung affiliate? Remember, sinabi ko kanina, Live Good is a direct sales company. Because of that, hindi siya nag-advertise on TV, radio, magazine, billboards, not even on the internet. Instead, yung budget niya for advertisement, binibigay na lang niya sa mga affiliate members whenever they refer people to the company. Bakit? Kasi kailangan pa rin as company, kailangan ni Live Good malaman ng maraming tao. Yun yung magiging trabaho ng affiliate. To refer as many people as you can to the program. Refer mo yung kaibigan mo, yung kamag-anak mo, yung ka-church mo, ka-office mo, yung ka-walking body mo. Kahit hindi mo kakilala, i-refer mo sa Live Good. Right? Because we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry when you become an affiliate. All right? So how do you become an affiliate? Again, go back to the sponsor, to the one who gave you this link or who invited you to this presentation. Ask for their sponsor's link. Doon ka mag-register. And this time, you pay $49.95. Ano yung $49.95? Yung $40 po dyan, one-time fee lang yan. That's your affiliate fee. Yung $9.95, that would be your first month subscription. Alright? So since one time lang si $40, the following month, you only pay $9.95 to remain a member of Live Good. Alright? So now you're already an affiliate member. What do you get with your $49.95? Unang-una, since you paid for the $9.95, your first month subscription or your first month membership fee, you become a member. May enjoy mo na yung discounts or yung very low price, very high quality yet very low price products ng LiveGood. And then number two, since you paid for the affiliate fee of $40, LiveGood knows that you're going to do the business. So i-equip ka niya. Bibigyan ka ni LiveGood ng 3 website. Meron tayong retail site. Yung retail site natin, yun yung ipapadala natin dun sa mga gusto lang i-try yung product as consumer. Makikita nila doon retail prices. Meron din tayong tinatawag na landing page. Yan naman yung ipapadala mo dun sa gusto mong maging partner dito sa LiveGood. Those whom you want to become affiliate members like you. Those who would be referring people to the program just like you. Alright? Kasi doon, ang bubungad sa kanila, yung video na nakita nyo kanina, si Ben Glinsky na-explain bakit maganda si LiveGood, ano si LiveGood, and why should you join LiveGood. Alright? That's very powerful. In fact, ang dami pong nako-close with that video. Doon din nga pala sila magre-register and then doon din. Tuloy-tuloy na po yan hanggang sa makapagbayad sila. And then number 3, since you're doing the business, you will be given a business site. Yung business site mo naman, dyan mo yung monitor, yung takbo ng business mo. Di ba you'd be referring people here? Makikita mo doon sa business site, ilan na yung na-refer mo. Sino-sino yung mga na-refer mo. Di ba? Sino yung mga na-refer nila? Sino yung mga na-refer nung na-refer nila? Sino yung mga na-refer nung na-refer nila? Those are important. Bakit? Kasi dito, as an affiliate, you don't get paid only with your effort or with your direct referrals. Pati yung mga na-refer nung na-refer mo, babayaran ka pa rin ni LiveGood. Alright? Ayan na. Nag-i-excite na kayo. Excited na ba lahat? And finally, as an affiliate, you get to participate in the compensation plan. As I would describe it, the most generous compensation plan I've ever seen. Alright? So, sino na excited? Yes, excited na si Andy Bicol. Yan, very good. Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba mga excited dyan? Sige nga, lagay nyo nga sa chat. Excited ako. Alright. 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 Yes, Janet saying excited. Bumilis na. Si Tibbs, excited ako. Christian saying excited. Very good, very good. Yes, so since you're excited, let's move forward. Ayan. So, excuse me. Compensation plan. Our compensation plan is actually structured, powered by 2 structures, yung unilevel and a force matrix. Ano yung unilevel? Pinakamagandang description dyan, remember, sinabi ko magre-refer tayo ng tao, di ba? So lahat ng direct mong mare-refer, they would all go in your level 1 sa unilevel, ha? And then lahat ng mare-refer ng mga na-refer mo, they would go on your level 2. And then yung na-refer mo would be on your level 3 and so on and so forth hanggang level 10. Alright? Bakit? Because LiveGood will pay you up to level 10 depending on your rank. Ang maganda niyan, hindi ka niya pipigilan mag-refer. Because infinite wide yan, meaning you can refer as many as you want. You want to refer 10? Refer ka ng 10. You want to refer 100? Refer ka ng 100. Ganun po. Unlimited tayo dito. Lahat ng kamag-anakan mo, kabarangay mo, i-refer mo na sa LiveGood. Alright? And then the other structure that we're going to talk about is the 2x15 matrix. Ano naman yan 2x15 matrix? The moment you become an affiliate kasi, you become part of a matrix. Unang-una, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. But we are all part of a big matrix. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Meaning, may mga tao pa sa taas natin. Alright? Pero ito, halimbawa, for example, you become an affiliate member. Hindi ka pa affiliate member ngayon, pero after the presentation, sumali ka, so you became one, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. Let's say, for example, ikaw yung nasa taas. Now, sa force matrix, ano po yan, system assigned. Meaning, hindi mo pwedeng ipangako kung sino yung mapupunta sa kanan mo, kung sino yung mapupunta sa kaliwa mo. Kasi si system ang maglalagay niyan. Pero ang importanteng tatandaan sa matrix, dalawa lang ang pwedeng ilagay right under a single person. So let's say for example, ikaw yan. And then nag-refer ka ng 10 tao. And they all joined you. So ano mangyayari? Si system ngayon, yung unang 2 nag-join sa'yo, ilalagay dun sa ilalim mo. Alright? Paano na yung 8? Yung 8 na refer mo, definitely they would go in your matrix. So saan ilalagay ni system? Dun na sa ilalim nung mga nasa ilalim mo. So yung 2 nakabit sa'yo, kakabitan ng Tagalawa. And then yung 4 na nakabit sa kanila, kakabitan pa ng Tagalawa. Alright? Now, if the people above you decided to do the business as well, yun, syempre, may chance na mapunta rin sa matrix mo yung mga mare-refer nila. Ang tawag doon spillover. Ngayon, yung mga taong napunta sa matrix mo, they decided to do the business as well, di ba? Lahat ng may sponsor nila or lahat ng mare-refer nila dito would fall in their matrix and nasa loob sila ng matrix mo. So they will also form part of your matrix. Alright? All the way, so parang ano lang yan, power of 2. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and so on up to the 15th level. Why? Because Live Good will pay us up to the 15th level. Alright? Tandaan nyo po itong 2 structure na to because this will be used on how to compute the different pays we can receive through Live Good. By the way, itong matrix po, hindi po yan, it has nothing to do with pyramiding, it has nothing to do with binary, ganyan lang po talaga magiging structure niyan. Imagine, ikaw, lalagyan ng 2, yung 2 mo, lalagyan ng Tagalawa. Magmumukhang triangular talaga siya in shape. Alright? So, tandaan niyo po yan. Now, why are these structures important? Kasi we have 7 ways to earn here in Live Good. We have the weekly fast start and the retail commission. We use the unilevel structure to compute for this weekly fast start and retail commission. Yung matrix naman, we use the matrix, the force matrix to compute for our matrix commission. Kung mapapansin mo, meron sa gitna matching bonuses kasi hybrid yan. Meaning, kinocombine niya yung unilevel and yung matrix to be able to compute kung magkano yung magiging matching bonus mo. By the way, mamaya, if I'm discussing this matching bonus already, pakinggan nyo maigi. Kasi yan yung way to earn para matupad yung mga pangarap mo dito sa Live Good. Alright? Now, there are other means to earn here like the influencer bonuses, the diamond bonus pool, and the diamond crown bonus pool. I will discuss that one by one. Alright, wait. Saan na tayo? Ayan. So let's start with the weekly fast start bonus 10 levels deep. As the name itself, it's weekly. It's being paid weekly and it's fast. Ito yung pinakamabilis na kitain dito sa Live Good. 1 linggong paghihintay lang kikita ka na. Alright? Paano yan? Remember, as an affiliate, you paid $49.95, di ba? And as an affiliate, to refer people to the program. So every successful referral na magagawa mo sa Live Good, meaning those people who would also pay $49.95 and become affiliate member like you, Live Good will pay you $25. Alright, so in this example, may 4 na na-refer yung taong nasa taas, meron siyang $100 kasi 25, 25, 25, 25, that's $100. Alright? So, did I say anything about auto ship? Did I say anything about quota? Did I say anything about volume requirements? Wala po akong sinabing ganon. Ang pinaka-requirement lang dito to earn this $25 bonus, isa kang affiliate member. And may mga successful referral ka. Ganun lang po kasimple. Nagbayad ka ng $49.95, you shared the program to other people, sila rin nagbayad ng $49.95, may $25 ka kada successful referral. So think about this. Nilabas mo $49.95, nakakuha ka halimbawa. Let's say ito, ngayon, maganda yung example natin ngayon kasi Wednesday. May cutoff, by the way, may cutoff tayo. It's Thursday US time, so here in the Philippines, it's Friday 3 p.m. So let's say, for example, you decided to join tonight. So you paid for the $49.95 using your debit card or credit card. After that, shinare mo na kagad kasi medyo gabi na. Kinabukasan, shinare mo na sa mga kaibigan mo. And sila mismo, they decided to join you as well. So they paid $49.95. Halimbawa, may dalawang nag-join sa iyo bukas. Okay, so that's $25 and $25 total of $50. And then magka-cut off ng Friday 3 p.m. So lahat ng mapapa-join mo anytime from tonight until Friday 3 p.m. lahat yon $25, bilangin mo na, tagta $25, babayaran yan the following Thursday. Alright? Kaya siya fast start. Diba? Ngayon, you can use that. You can use that to pay your subscription or to pay your bills. Diba? Panggastos. Pwedeng-pwede yan. Ang maganda rito, sinabi ko nga, unlike other affiliate, meron din kasing ibang nag-o-offer ng affiliate marketing eh. Pero sa kanila, ang binabayaran lang nila yung mga direct na nare-refer ng mga tao. Dito, we get to be paid up to 10 levels deep if we do the business and we rank up. Yes, may mga ranking po tayo dito. Ang ranking natin dito, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and crown diamond. And soon, royal crown diamond. Alright? Ano ibig sabihin yan? Meaning, for those who are really doing the business, ino-honor naman ni Live Good yon and ino-acknowledge ni Live Good. Okay, so mag-i-start ka dito as unranked, meaning wala ka pang na-refer na kahit isa. Okay, pero ang maganda nito, pag naka-refer ka ng dalawa, nabawi mo na yung $49.95 na nailabas mo, naging bronze ka pa. Alright, so why is it good to become bronze? Kasi you get to enjoy level 2 of the fast start bonus. Ano yung level 2? Yan yung nirefer nung nirefer mo. So let's say for example, yung dalawang nirefer mo decided to do the business as well at nag-refer din sila, may kita ka pa doon. Kasi hanggang level 2 ka na, kasi bronze ka na. Now, if you decided to refer more people, and lahat nung nare-refer mo dito, tinuturuan mo to do the same, di ba? Magra-rank up ka eventually, magiging silver ka. You get to enjoy up to levels 3 and 4. Pag nag-rank up ka pa, naging gold ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to levels 7 and 8. Ang maganda nito, pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. Alright? We have a different video on how to rank up. Pwede nyo pong panoorin yan. You can ask the person who invited you about it. Alright? Pero ang maganda niyan, the more you rank up, the better benefits you receive from Live Good. And imagine, again, unlimited po ang pwede nating i-refer dito sa Live Good. Alright? So that's all about the weekly fast start bonus. Now let's talk about the 2x15 matrix monthly commission. Monthly naman po yung release nito. Alright? So remember, dun sa mga unang nag-join ngayon, for example, those who would be joining this month, ang makakakuha ng commission dyan are those who referred them. Kasi yun yung fast start commission. Now, when will you receive your monthly commission or yung matrix monthly commission mo naman? When they start paying their $9.95 subscription. So, next month, di ba? Ngayon, they paid for the $49.95. Ang nakatanggap niyan, yung mga naka-receive ng fast start. The following month, they'll be paying $9.95 na lang. Ang makaka-receive naman yan, yung matrix commission. Alright? So, paano i-compute yan? Remember yung discussion ko sa matrix kanina. Sabi ko, people in your matrix can actually come from you, which is the best, or they can come from the people above you. Tinatawag nating spillover. Or pwede rin dun sa mga taong napunta sa matrix mo when they do the business. Alright? Now, whether manggaling sa iyo, manggaling sa nasa taas mo, or manggaling dun sa mga taong nasa loob na ng matrix mo, Live Good will pay you 25 cents for every member in your matrix. Alright. 25 cents kada taong magbabayad ng $995. Alright, baka sabihin nyo, ang late naman yan, 25 cents. Let me show you how a matrix look like. Inom muna ako. This is how a matrix would look like. Let's say, for example, ikaw si orange man and all the blue men are the people in your matrix. So, ganyan po yan. Kakabitan ka ng system ng dalawa and then titigil na siya. And then, yung dalawa mo, kakabitan ng system ng tagalawa. So, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, all the way to level 15. So, kung makikita mo, ang daming tao niyan. So kahit tagte 25 cents lang yung binabayad per person, sa dami niyan, ang laki pa rin po ng kitaan dyan. Alright, let me show you. Kasi dito po, actually, with the Matrix Commission, even if you're unranked, meaning wala kang successful referral, kikita ka pa rin. Ayan. So di ba, may matrix ka. If you are unranked, you will be paid up to level 12. Hanggang level 12 ka lang babayaran sa matrix income mo. Alright. Sorry about that. Okay, so you get paid up to level 12. By the way, di ba nga, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, pag binilang mo lahat ng tao sa matrix mo na umabot ng level 12, aabot yan ng 8,190 people. Times 25 cents. Diyan po kinukuha yung $2,047.50. Alright? Whether or not you refer people to the program, kikita at kikita ka. And hindi lang basta kita kasi monthly income yan. And magkano in pesos yan? That's more than 100,000 pesos. It's not bad. Actually, it's very good. Alright? But don't be satisfied with this. Kasi hanggang dyan na lang po ang kikitain ng mga hindi nagre-refer na tao. Pero the moment you refer, automatic may $25 ka, di ba? Doon sa fast start. So ano pipiliin mo? 25 cents na maghihintay ka pa? O $25 na automatic every time na mag-refer ka? Ako, I personally would choose the $25. And at the same time, lumalaki pa ng mabilis yung organization ko or yung group ko. Okay? Ito pa maganda. If you keep on referring, and then teaching those people na na-refer mo to refer themselves, di ba? Mas lalo kang lalaki. Kasi sa matrix pa lang, madadagdagan na yung levels mo. Pag nag-bronze or silver ka, abot ka ng level 13, where you would be paid $4,095.50 in your matrix income. Pag nag-gold or platinum ka, abot ka ng level 14. That's $8,191.50. Matrix income pa lang. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to be enjoying up to level 15. That's $16,383.50. Magkano yan in peso? That's 900,000 pesos monthly income. Alright? Ganyan po kalaki yung 25 cents na minamaliit nyo kanina. Kasi sa dami ng tao in your matrix. By the way, hindi natin kailangan punuin yung matrix to start earning. In fact, magkaroon ka lang ng isa sa matrix mo, bibigyan ka na ng 25 cents. Pag dalawa, 50 cents. Pag apat, $1 na. So, the moment na umabot ng 40 people in your matrix, you'll receive $10 already. Magkano yung monthly subscription mo? $9.95. So, yung pambayad mo sa monthly subscription, commission. Alright? Di ba ang ganda? So, mapupuno yan, 8,190 people. Ang sagot ko po dyan, simple lang. Hindi ko po alam. Pwede siyang matagalan. And in fact, kaya I encourage you to really do the business, to refer the business, the program to as many people as you can. Diba? But there's actually a simple way para mapabilis yung pagpuno ng matrix nyo. Ganito lang po yan. Unang-una, ikaw, mag-join ka as an affiliate member. And then immediately, on your first week, mag-refer ka ng dalawa. Dalawa lang po. Pag nag-refer ka ng dalawa, ituro mo dun sa dalawa na mag-refer din sila ng tagalawa. Bakit niya gagawin yan? Unang-una, when you refer to, nabawi mo na yung 49.95 na nalabas mo. So yun din yung sabihin mo sa kanila. Mag-refer ka ng dalawa para mabawi mo yung 49.95 mo. And do it on your first week. So pag nangyari to weekly, ito ka, nag-iisa ka ng una, nadagdagan ka ng 2, and then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, on the 12th week. 3 buwan pa lang po yun. 12 weeks, 3 months. Umabot na po ng 8,190 people in your matrix. So you're already being paid $2,000. Yun na yung marireceive mong matrix commission. Alright? Since nag-refer ka ng dalawa, up to 13th level ka na, on the 13th week, puno na yung 13th level mo. That's already $4,095.50 for you. Alright? Ganun po kalaki yan. If you continue to refer, yung hindi ka tumigil dun sa dalawa lang, instead of just referring to, pinaulit-ulit mo. Nag-refer ka uli ng dalawa, tinuruan mo uli, ay kumuha kayo ng Tagalawa. And then nag-refer ka uli ng dalawa, kumuha kayo ng Tagalawa. Paulit-ulit mo lang ginawa yun. You'll become diamond eventually. And you get to enjoy up to the 15th level. On the 15th week pa lang po, puno na yung diamond 2x15 matrix mo. And you're starting to receive the 900,000 peso monthly income. Alright? But don't be satisfied with the matrix. Kaya nga ang encouragement namin dito, don't be a spillover waiter, be a spillover creator. How do you do that? By referring people. And every people na masasuccessfully refer mo rito, i-guide mo for them to do the business as well. Why? Kasi bukod dun sa matrix income, magkakaroon ka pa ng malaking matching bonus. Sinabi ko kanina, pakinggan nyo maigi when I start discussing the matching bonus kasi ito yung income na makakapagpatupad ng pangarap nyo. Alright, ano ba si matching bonus? Let's start. Remember, when you started here, you become an affiliate member, you had your own matrix, di ba? And then you started earning your matrix income. Pretty much the same sa mga tao na marirefer mo dito, they would have their own matrix as well. And they would have their own matrix income as well. 'Di ba sabi ko parang hybrid to, i-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung matrix. So anong mangyayari diyan? Kung magkano yung i-earn ng mga taong na-refer mo dito sa matrix income nila, matatanggap mo 50% ng equivalent. Alright? So let's say for example, naka-refer ka ng 4 na tao, si A, B, C, tsaka si D. Si A nagtrabaho. In a short period of time, kumikita na ng $1,000 in his matrix. Matatanggap ni A yan ng buo, $1,000 kasi matrix income niya yan. Pero ang maganda niyan, since ikaw yung nag-refer kay A, bibigyan ka pa ni Livgood ng $500 which is equivalent to 50% of A's matrix income. Si B nagtrabaho rin, may $5 na, may $250 ka. Si C medyo busy pa sa ibang activities, $100 lang yung matrix niya, may $50 ka pa rin. Si D ganun din, nasa 200 lang, may $100 ka pa rin. But think about this. Apat lang yung example ko. What if you have 10? What if you have 20? What if you have 50? What if you have 100 direct referrals? Ilang matrix yung namamatch mo? Ilang 50% yung natatanggap mo? Diba? Kaya sinabi ko kanina, ito yung tutupad sa mga pangarap mo kasi malaki talaga pong income itong matching bonus na to. Now, bukod doon, you still get to enjoy up to 5th generation. The simplest way to explain this, remember, on your direct, you get 50%, right? And if you rank up to silver, meron ka pa dun sa 1st and 2nd generation, 10% each. If you rank up to gold, up to 3rd generation yung may enjoy mo, you get 5% each. Pag nag-rank up ka sa platinum, up to 4th generation, 5% na naman. But if you rank up to diamond, you get to enjoy up to 5th generation. That's 3% each. Alright? Now, this is in percentage, so medyo nakakalito. I'll try to show it in monetary value. Let's say, for example, meron kang 10 direct. So there are 10 people in your team. Each of these 10 people are already receiving $100 in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's $50. Eh 100 sila. I'm sorry, 10 sila. So that's $500. Di ba? Ngayon yung 10 decided to do the business and referred 10 people as well. So nadagdagan ng 100 dun sa team mo. That's already your second generation. By then, silver ka na. Meron ka ng second generation silver. Di ba? And each of these 100 people are earning 100 in their matrix. May 10% ka, that's $10. Eh 100 sila. Additional $1,000 in your matching bonus. And then yung 10 ay yung 100. Nag-refer na naman ng 10. Additional 1,000 in your matrix. That's already your third generation. Gold ka na niyan. Yung 1,000 kumikita na lang ng $50 sa matrix nila. May 5% ka pa rin. 250 times 1,000 people. That's 2,500. And then yung 1,000 did the business as well. Pero lilima lang yung nakuha nila, for example, ha? So that's an additional 5,000 in your team. That's already your fourth generation. Platinum ka na. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila. May 5% ka pa rin doon. 250, 5,000 sila. That's $12,500. Now, yung 5,000, they decided to do the business. Nakapag-refer ng 5 tao each. That's 25,000 people additional in your team. That's your fifth generation diamond na. $30 na lang kunyari yung matrix nila, may 3% ka, 90 cents. Now, yung 90 cents, baka maliitin mo na naman kasi cents lang. Pero 25,000 yung ima-match mo dyan eh. That's $22,500. So in a month, you can actually earn up to $39,000. And monthly income na yan kasi lahat naman ng tao na nagsusubscribe sa LiveGood, hindi basta-basta bumibitaw. Meaning, they continuously pay their $9.95 subscription. Alright? Kaya palaki lang ng palaki yan. Now, you may be saying, Mon, theory lang yan eh, magkakatotoo ba yan? Let me show you some actual earnings from one of our coaches. Okay? Disclaimer lang po. Number 1, this is not mine. Number 2, although although na-receive nung ating coach itong ganitong income doesn't necessarily mean na ganyan din yung magiging income mo. Actually, pwede siyang lumaki kung mas magiging masipag ka dun sa coach na to. Or pwede rin siyang lumiit kung hindi mo gagayahin yung ginawa niya. But this is for example purpose. From March 1 to 30, yung matrix income niya is 225. But look at the matching bonus, 661. It's 3 times the matrix income. Kaya don't be satisfied with the matrix. Ang pinaka-key dyan, mag-refer ka ng tao to the program. Okay, nung April, 689 na yung matrix niya. Look at the matching. 3,429. That's 5 times nung matrix income niya. Ganun po kaganda ang reward ng mga nagre-refer ng tao to the program. Kasi ang makakatanggap lang ng matching bonus are those who do referral, who refer people to the program. Nung May, umabot na ng 1,106 kasi nga tuloy-tuloy din yung pag-refer niya. Tsaka yung mga nire-refer niya, tinuturuan niya rin na gawin yung negosyo. Pero yung matching niya, umabot na ng 7,591. 7 times more nung matching bonus niya, anong matrix bonus niya. Ganun po kaganda ang nagre-refer ng tao dito. Now, let's say for example, hindi mo talaga gusto mag-refer. Okay? Do yourself a favor. Pati na rin yung nag-invite sa'yo. Do yourself a favor, ipasok mo yung dalawang pamilya mo, asawa mo, tsaka anak mo. Okay, why? Number 1, pag ginawa mo yung magiging bronze ka, yung matrix income mo aangat, aabot na ng level 13. Magkano na yun? $4,095.50. Okay, tapos yung dalawang family member mo, if they will not refer anybody, most likely hindi, kasi ikaw din yan, di ba? Ang maximum na makukuha nila in time pag napuno yung matrix nila is $2,047.50 each. Dalawa sila. That's $4,095. Plus, may 50% matching ka pa since ikaw yung nag-refer sa kanila, sa kanilang dalawa, direct mo silang dalawa, may 50% matching ka pa. That's an additional $2,047.50. Magkano yung kikitain mo monthly when the time comes na mapuno na yung matrix nyong tatlo? You'll receive a total of $10,238 monthly income. Magkano yan in peso? Kalahating milyon po yan. That's 573,000 pesos. Monthly income. Kung ganyan po ang monthly income ng family of 3, na talagang matutupad na mga pangarap nila. Di ba? Pero ang encouragement po pa rin namin talaga dito, continuously do direct referrals. Kasi let's say for example, you have 20 direct referrals. Tapos yung 20 directs mo, hindi talaga nag-refer. Time will come, mapupuno yung mga matrix nila. Aabot ng 2,047.50 yung kanilang matrix income. 50% niyan would be your matching bonus, 1,023.75. 20 sila. That's a total of 20,475 matching bonus for you alone. That's 1,146,000 pesos monthly income. Ganun po kaganda ang reward ng mga nagre-refer ng tao dito sa Live Good. Alright, gawin nating 30. Tapos yung 30, decided to do the business as well kasi ginaid mo. So let's say for example, they're earning 6,000 in their matrix. 50% sa'yo, that's 3,000. 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly. Magkano po yun? 5 million pesos monthly income. Imagine that. Kung ganyan po kalaki yung kita nyo, yung monthly income nyo, hindi lang pangarap nyo at pangarap ng pamilya nyo, pati pangarap ng biyanan nyo, kapitbahay nyo, mabibigay nyo na. And if you are religiously giving tithes to your church, imagine magkano yung tithes mo? 500,000 pesos monthly. Talagang magaganda yung magiging future ng church nyo. Diba? Now, si Dreammaker Worldwide po, meron tayong vision dito. Our vision is to have 100 solid direct referrals. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ako, ang ano ko rito, ang goal ko rito is to become one of the Crown Diamonds or even Royal Crown Diamonds when that's already available. Ang gagawin natin dito, kailangan yung vision nung mga marirefer ko dito, they would also become Crown Diamond like me. Okay. Now, diamond na lang for example. Lahat ng diamond, ang matrix income pag napuno, umaabot ng 16,383.50. Right? 50% sa'yo. 50% yung matching mo. That's 8,191.75. 100 sila. That's $819,175. Magkano yan in peso? That's 45 million pesos monthly income. With this kind of income, kaya mo na pong magpatayo ng sarili mong foundation para makatulong ka not only to your church, not only to your family, even to your community. Alright? Actually, ito po, this is actually long-term na. Sabihin natin 10 years, 20 years, or even 30 years. Nag-accumulate yung direct referral mo, umabot ng 1,000. Tapos each of your directs are earning $6,000 in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's 3,000. 1,000 sila, that's $3 million monthly. Posible po mangyari to. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang po yung pagre-refer. Alright? So, magkano yan? That's 168 million monthly income. At ibibigay po yan ni Live Good kung dumating yung time. And I'm telling you, there are people in the leaderboard na nasa 900 na yung mga direct referrals. So talagang nare-reach din po yung 100 direct referrals. Alright? So ang key dito, mag-direct para mag-rank up ng mag-rank up. Now, I'm going to show you now how to rank up the simplest way. Yung kanina, yung invite to, refer to, teach them to get to, that's the simplest way to fill your matrix ng mabilis. Ito naman yung simplest way to rank up. Get 3, teach them to get 3, and then teach those 3 to teach them to get 3. Alright? So ganito po yan. On your first, ikaw lang, nadagdagan ng 3, 9, 27, 81. Kung weekly mangyayari to, magiging kultura na lahat ng sumasali, kumukuha ng 3. On the 7th week pa lang po, umabot na ng 3,279 people in your organization. That means diamond ka na. Kasi ang diamond, ang requirement lang po, 2,500 active members. Alright? Ngayon, pag tuloy-tuloy yan, on the 10th month pa lang, crown diamond ka na. Kasi 88,000 na po yung people in your organization. Sobra-sobra na po yan sa pagiging crown diamond. And then on the 11th week pa lang po, umaapaw na yung matrix nyo. Meaning, blessed na kayo at ang dami nyo ng taong na bless. Alright? That's the key. Ang key po dito, continuously refer people, and lahat ng successfully marirefer mo to the program, teach them to refer people as well. Teach them to do the business as well. Alright? So meron pa po tayong ibang mga means to earn, like the retail commission. Ang retail commission naman po, simple lang yan. Remember, meron tayong retail price tsaka members price. Now, let's say, for example, the retail price is $20, the member's price is $10. Ang difference niyan, $10. Ngayon, if you're able to sell a product or the products in retail, Live Good will give you 50% of the difference between the retail and the member's price. Okay, so dun sa example ko, $20 yung retail, $10 yung members, may difference na 10, may $5 kang retail commission. Alright? Ngayon, ano rin po to, up to 10 levels deep din to, depende dun sa rank natin. Kasi pag bronze ka, yung retail ng mga direct mo, meron ka pa. Yung retail nung second level mo, you still get 10%. Pag silver ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 3 and 4. Pag gold ka, levels 5 and 6. Pag platinum, levels 8 and 7 and 8. Pag diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi mo na trabaho, hindi mo na benta, hindi mo na ginawa, wala ka nang, you have nothing to do with their business anymore, yet, Live Good is still making you earn. Alright? What if influencer ka, sikat ka na sa TikTok o sa YouTube, ang dami mo ng followers, simple lang po gawin nyo. Magtimpla ka halimbawa ng kape, uminom ka, and then tell your followers to buy the coffee in your online shop at retail. So definitely magiging volume yung retail sales mo. Ito mangyayari, di ba, for every sales meron kang 50%. Pag umabot ng 2,500 yung monthly sales mo, dadagdagan ng 10%, making it 60. Pag umabot ng 5,000, 20% yung idadagdag, magiging 70. Pag umabot ng 10,000, 30% yung idadagdag, making it 80. Pag 25,000, 40% yung idadagdag, making it 90. Ang maganda niyan, pag umabot ng 50,000 and above, lahat na po yung difference between the retail the retail price and the member's price, ibibigay na sa iyo lahat ni Live Good. Alright? That's what we call influencer bonus. Kaya if you're an influencer, look into this. Look into this kasi pag lumaki talaga yung sales nyo, yung monthly retail sales nyo, you would still Live Good would still reward you for it. All right? Now, paulit-ulit ko po sinasabi na magandang mag-rank up all the way to diamond. This is why. The diamond bonus pool. This is like a profit sharing for all the sales that happened in a month. All product sales, membership sales, lahat po ng sales ng Live Good, ito-total yan, kukurot ng 2%, tapos yung 2% paghahati-hatian sa lahat ng mga diamond. Right now, we have about 60 diamonds globally, and from what I've heard, yung na-receive nila na kanilang diamond pool bonus last month, umabot pa rin po ng $4,000. So just imagine that. Yun na po yung average nitong diamond bonus pool. If you're already a diamond, meron kang parang monthly income na additional additional to sa lahat ng mga nabanggit compensation, may additional ka pang $4,000 monthly. And then continue to do the business and rank up to diamond, crown diamond. Kasi si crown diamond, bukod doon sa share niya doon sa 2%, meron pa siyang sariling 0.5%. And globally po, we only have 2 crown diamonds. Si Tim Miller, an American, siya yung una. And yung pangalawa, proud to say, our very own coach, Coach Fernan Santiago. Filipino, first in the Philippines, second globally. Alright? Ito pa, magugulat kayo kasi si Ben Glinsky nadulas, sinabi niya, umabot ng 10 million ang kinita ng Live Good. 10 million, what's 0.5%? $50,000. Eh, dalawa silang naghati. Tag magkano sila? Ganyan po kalaki yung Crown Diamond bonus pool. So the earlier you become Crown Diamond bonus pool, mas konti pa lang kayo naghahati-hati, definitely mas malaki yung magiging share mo. So lahat ng affiliates na ngayon, go for this. Kung hindi ka pag-affiliate, mag-affiliate ka na and then run your Crown Diamond rank. Alright? Now, if you're not yet an affiliate, I'll give you 4 reasons why you should join. Number 1, we just officially launched. Wala pa tayong 1 taon. We're still on the pillar stage. And the vision of the company napakalaki. And it's happening. It's happening in a shorter period of time. Huwag ka na magpahuli, huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Position yourself now while we are still on the pillar stage. Kasi definitely lahat ng na-envision ng company, pag nangyari yan, ang unang magbe-benefit tayo. Tayo na mga naunang nagtiwala sa Live Good. Number 2, high quality, very affordable health products. Dito po kaya na nating magpaka-healthy. Alright? Nakita niyo naman kanina, I don't need to discuss this. By the way, if you want to know more about our products, meron po tayo sa livegood.com. Alright. Now, marketing system, tools, and training. Number 3 reason. Ito po, this is an example of your tools that you can abuse. Dadin nyo lang yung invites nyo. Ako magpapaliwanag, ako mamamaos, ako magko-close. Kanino yung account sa inyo? Even if I don't know you, that's okay with me. That's the service I offer. Other than this, meron tayong local trainings, meron tayong international trainings. We have daily Zooms, weekly Zooms, monthly Zooms. All you have to do is plug in. Plug in nyo lang po. Check nyo yung email nyo. Andun po yung link na binibigay for the international calls. Alright? And then number 3, a simple, powerful, lucrative, and as I would describe it, most generous pay plan. Ito lang po yung company narinig ko that is giving 85% of their income to their affiliate members. And don't worry about it kasi I did my math, hindi po malulugi yung company even if they're giving away 85% of their income. So right now, we have high quality products at very low prices. Diyan po nag-i-start ang Live Good. But in the near future, Live Good will add more products and services and Live Good will be the Amazon of network marketing. Ibig sabihin po niyan, pasimula pa lang tayo, yung vision ng ating corporate team, napakalaki po sa Live Good. Kaya ngayon pa lang po, magtiwala na kayo sa Live Good. And if you have already trusted Live Good, if you're already an affiliate, wag po kayo bibitaw. Kasi yung nakikita nyong growth ngayon, yung 725,000 paid members, simula pa lang po yan. We're just at the tip of the iceberg. Meaning, ang laki pa po ng mangyayari sa Live Good in the future. Much bigger than those na other companies na nabanggit ko kanina. Bakit? Because we're the only membership club that pays. Make sure you pay your If you're already as an affiliate member, siguraduhin nyo, binabayaran nyo yung subscription nyo. Actually, mag-annual na kayo para hindi nyo na siya intindihin monthly. Nakatipid pa kayo ng 2 buwan. If you're not an affiliate yet, puntahan nyo yung nag-invite sa inyo, hingin nyo yung sponsors link, mag-register kayo doon, magbayad na kagad kayo ng $49.95. Position yourself and don't let go of that position. And then continuously refer people to the program. Why? Nasa 725,000 members po tayo ngayon. In the future, we will reach up to 200 million or even more. And Live Good is planning to stay. Kasi pag nagsalita po sila ang our corporate team, they're talking about 20-year plan, 30-year plan. They're not going to go away that quickly. Alright, I'm about to end actually. So gusto ko lang balikan yung unang slides ko. Sinabi ko, this presentation is not about me, it's about you. Because whatever your struggles right now, you've heard the presentation, you've heard the compensation plan, you've heard the different, how different Live Good is with other companies. I believe na sana, I am hoping actually, na sana you already know by now that Live Good is the solution to whatever struggles you are having. Kung OFW ka, gusto mo nang umuwi, mag-retire ka na. Do Live Good. Kung fed up employee ka na, mag-resign ka na. Do Live Good. Because Live Good, ang dami ko na pong nakitang tao dito na in as short as 9 months, natupad yung mga pangarap nila. Here in the Philippines alone, we have 15 diamonds, if I'm not mistaken. 15 diamonds na po sila. That means 15 people are already earning $4,000 monthly. Additional pa lang po yan dun sa mga income nila. Sa other income nila that is also given by Live Good. Imagine 4,000. Talagang tutupa rin po ang mga pangarap dito sa Live Good. Now the question here is, are you an A, B, or C? Actually, kung ako tatanungin, concentrate more on the A. I want to become an affiliate member. Because yan po yung solution to whatever problems you're having right now. Okay? Pero if you want to be a member and enjoy the discount, okay lang din po. You're always welcome. Friend pa rin tayo. Or if you want to become a retail customer lang, ayoko mag-member, ayoko whatever, pero I can buy naman the product, I'll buy in retail na lang. That's okay as well. Okay? So right now, I want you to get back to the person who invited you, ask and tell them if you're an A, B, or a C. I really hope to see you one day and talagang to congratulate you in doing a right choice, in doing the right decision, in doing Live Good. Kasi po, ang magdi-decision yan, kayo pa rin eh. Kahit gaano kaganda yung presentation, the best that I can do, at the end of the day, the decision is yours. Alright, so I really hope that you make the right decision and choose to become an affiliate member because Live Good has a bright future. And if you start now, you would be part of a phenomenal growth. Alright, so with that, I would like to thank you all for being part of this presentation. And talagang I'll leave you with this. Wala pong magbabago sa ating buhay kung wala tayong babaguhin. If you're in debt right now and you're not going to change anything in your lives, you will be in debt forever. So it's a matter of making that one decision in your life that could actually change it for the better. And Live Good, I believe, is the vehicle to change your life for the better. So if you're here...